Today I will talk about how can you select system notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above the sign, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on options. So just click on it. You come to this list here, then all you have to do, just click here on notifications. So just click on it here. You come to this list, then all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down, come here to system notifications, just click in this sign here, and here can you select here system notifications on your Zello app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.